Let's see how to stop text from overwriting itself when typing in Microsoft Word. So first off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now in this document, you'll see that whenever I type something, the text overwrites itself. Now, for example, I'm going to write a quick sentence. And as you can see, it automatically deletes the text below it and overwrites itself. Now, what that means is that your Microsoft Word probably has Overtype mode enabled. Now, to turn that off, simply head on over to the File tab, click on Options. Now, right here, click on Advanced. And from here, make sure that you don't check, you uncheck this box. Use the Insert key to control Overtype mode, as well as uncheck the Use Overtype mode. And now, you can see that we can input text normally back in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.